Almost reminds me of The Wizard of Oz, you know, but there's no place like home.
Does give those vibes off. I've only seen tornado rainbow once at the same time. That was in Colorado, I think, back in 2010.
Wow, yeah, I know you do some storm chasing there.
2009, something like near Campo, Colorado, anyway.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But it's kind of a cool sight. You'd have to be back off to the west, looking back in toward the tornado with the sun at your back, just to kind of get that all to line up properly.
Wow, that is amazing.
Really,
back here locally, though, I mean, I saw some drizzling here in Salinas.
You might catch a rainbow today. No tornadoes in the forecast, luckily for us. Let's take a look at our current weather forecast right now. Temperatures, well, you know, kind of on the cool side. That's because it's been a rainy Sunday across the region. Not really heavy rain anywhere, but we're keeping it into the 50s. It's damp, it's cool out there, and these showers will continue as we head into the evening hours. Luckily, not a lot of wind. We have 11 miles per hour in Salinas, 14 in Hollister, so it's a little breezy, but nothing major with this system. It's mostly just a light rainmaker. So we zoom out a little bit, we can see the trough right here. You can see this dip in the clouds and showers moving across the state. Snow in the Sierra Nevada, some good news there. We certainly take rain this time of year as we continue to dry out into our non-rainy season, but unfortunately, we'd like to see a little bit more than what we're getting. This is enough to put some moisture in the soil, but not a lot. All it takes is a couple warm days to get most of this out of here since we're not getting a good soaking, maybe outside the Santa Cruz Mountains, which is doing a little bit better for us tonight. But for the rest of the evening, this is what it's going to look like around the Monterey Bay area. Mostly cloudy skies, scattered rain showers continue. Your sunset tonight is at 7:50 p.m. Clouds will start to thin out a little bit as we head into the late evening hours as the system begins to move on. This is what it looks like on Futurecast. The big band of clouds really moving off to the southeast, but we'll continue to see scattered low clouds out there. At 10 p.m., still a few light showers. Things kind of winding down by midnight today. And with that said, we will see some low clouds out there overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, which may continue to produce some drizzle at times. So don't expect the roads to be necessarily dry when you head out the door tomorrow morning on your Monday commutes. You may see some wet spots out there. And then during the day tomorrow, there still is going to be some moisture in the area. So what you're going to see first is, as we head into the afternoon hours, there's some puffy clouds popping up over the hillsides, cumulus clouds, if you will. And a few of those may pop up some showers. So the computer model is showing a few out there. And they may not be in the exact spots you see them on this model. That's just the way it works with convective showers. They kind of decide where they're going to go. And there's somewhat more random. But the best chance of them happening will be over those coastal hills. And a few of them may drift over populated lower elevation cities. Here's an example of what I'm saying. As we head into the afternoon hours, you see a shower pop up over the Santa Cruz Mountains and it seems to drift off over Wattsville. Now that may not happen exactly that way, but again, if you look up to your northwest, and there's mountains and a shower pops up, that may drift over you tomorrow afternoon. So 2 p.m. you see a few scattered showers out there tomorrow afternoon. 4 p.m. is still a few more out there, mostly just east of the Monterey Bay area. And then as we head to 6 p.m., most of them over the Diablo Range, and we start to clear out around the bay. So may see an additional shower or two tomorrow, but the bulk of the light rainfall is going to happen tonight. And then we're going to clear out tomorrow night, and it'll be a little bit chilly. Your temperatures tomorrow, we do expect some sunshine to sneak back in, so we'll get you back into the 60s in Capitola, Santa Cruz, Scotts Valley, Ben Lomond, for example. But these highs are still cool for this time of year. We go over to Watsonville, you're going to top out right around 60 degrees with low 60s in Salinas, Hollister, Gilroy. Very cool for this time of year. How about the 50s, though, in Castroville? Areas around the Monterey Peninsula staying in the 50s for the most part tomorrow, with 59 your high in Monterey and Seaside. And then stopping southward, we go to the Salinas Valley. We get a little bit warmer in the south, but all locations in the 50s and 60s tomorrow. Pretty chilly for this time of year, but we've got some warmer air on the way. So take a look at the coastal forecast. It doesn't look all that warm. Your normal high this time of year should be around 64. So next couple of days, still a little cool, a little breezy at times. Breezy still through the weekend, but a little bit warmer than normal. And nothing big, but the inland forecast, you'll definitely know that heat. High pressure building in, high temperatures on the inland side of things this time of year should be in the low 70s on average. So after a couple of cooler, windy days, we're much warmer as we head toward the end of the week with highs about 10 degrees above normal, Josh.